If you are not familiar with the 8-way crown, view the 8-way crown video. Notice the colors of each pole. Insert the correct color to the 8-way crown. There are 2 sets of holes in each armature. Place a pin in the hole closest to the center. This aligns the depth for the next pin. Insert the pole and align the hole and place the pin. Remove the alignment pin. Always connect the hip pole first and then the rafters. Connect the corner to the hip pole and the side tee to the rafter pole. Now begin building the perimeter. Insert the pole on the side without the alignment pin so that you can insert the other brace. After the other side is pinned, now you may pin the first side. All pin hooks should face into the tent so that they do not rip the tent top. Remove the tent top from the bag. Set aside the straps for now. Unroll and unfold the tent. Drag the tent top over the frame. Be careful not to puncture the tent top with a pin or anything else. For now, only fasten the 2 straps to each corner while the frame is on the ground. Raise the corner of the tent and insert the side pole. Be sure to place the alignment pin. Now fasten the rest of the straps. Tighten the ratchet so it holds the tent to the ground. Velcro the corners so the flaps are tight. When only one person is available, start the stake by yourself. If 2 are available, one hold the stake and the other drive lightly, being careful not to miss. Once the stake is driven about a foot into the ground and no one is holding on to the stake, swing away. Place the stake 3 to 4 feet from each perimeter fitting location. It takes 2 people to use a jackhammer. One must place the stake the designated distance from the tent, then catch and set the jackhammer while the other person carries and balances the hammer. No center poles to get in your way. If you have sidewalls, attach them now. Make sure the clip opening faces outside the tent. Release each ratchet. Unfasten each strap from the perimeter poles. Remove the side poles one side at a time. Lay the tent side softly on the ground. Unfasten the corner straps. Fold the tent top while it is on the frame. Tightly roll the tent top. Be careful not to roll on top of ratchets or stakes. Slip the bag cover over the rolled tent top. Flip the bag over and lift, dropping the tent fully into the bag. Remove the corners and the perimeter. Remove the poles from the crown. First, remove the ratchets. Place the stake jack jaw around the stake rod. Apply downward force on the stake handle to pull the stake up.